Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Let's go Olympics, right? Now there's a definition of insanity, trying to do that sport right there. Anyway, hey, let's take a look at a trade that we had this morning on the GrokStar Room on FB, good old Facebook. And this was at the 9:30 line when it opened up, and then it ran down here, and now this was a nice bear pullback, bam. And now it's doing what we call a low base. If you want to know more about what a low base is, just go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, to the chart room page, and it's free. You just go down here, there's a description of a low base, and then here's a picture of it where it runs down, and now it's at a line of support, and if it breaks down from that, it's a possible short. The odds are in your favor, it's going to go down. So here we are, and this yellow line here happens to be the pivot line. So it fell right to the pivot line on Facebook, and it's sitting here resting on that. So I said, folks, if it breaks down below that, I want to be short. Had our order set, letting the market come to us, and here we go. And bam, it just fell down, and now I'm short at $64.27. Look at this volume here, too, on how high it is as it's rolling down. Now let's take a look what happened next. Oh, now it's just kind of resting there, and now it popped back up above that pivot line. But this 8 EMA, exponential moving average on the 1-minute chart, is now acting as resistance as well. So it's kind of stuck right here. So I'm pulling my stop down just above that 8 EMA, because if it breaks it, I'm going to want to be out. And we wait a little bit longer. Then boom, boom, it finally popped up and got me out at $64.47 for a loss of 0.3% in 9 minutes. Oh, well. Sometimes these trades work out, and sometimes they don't. Now just remember, if the odds are in your favor, that means like 60% odds in your favor. That means 40% of the time it won't turn out. So what do? We just cut a loser short. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Trade well.